If you're seeing a Monday.com API permission error or authentication issue, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This kind of error usually happens because of a temporary browser issue, a weak internet connection, blocked extensions, missing API permissions, or limited access to the board or workspace. The good news is that most of the time, you can solve it in just a few minutes. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. First, go ahead and refresh the page. Sometimes the error is temporary, and a simple reload is enough to reconnect Monday.com properly. If that doesn't work, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Open your browser, search for a speed test, and run one to make sure your connection is stable. A slow or inconsistent network can interrupt API authentication and cause permission errors, even when everything else is set up correctly. Now let's move on to browser extensions. In many cases, ad blockers or privacy extensions can interfere with Monday.com or prevent the API from authenticating correctly. Click the three-dot menu in your browser, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off any ad blockers or suspicious extensions. After disabling them, go back to Monday.com and try again. If the error disappears, you found the issue. If you're still getting the same message, the next step is to check your API token permissions. Go to Monday.com, click your profile picture, then open Admin, and look for the API settings. Here, verify the scopes and access settings for the token or integration you're using. Make sure the token has the correct permissions for the actions you're trying to perform. If the token is missing the right scopes, Monday.com will block the request and return an authentication or permission error. After that, check your board and workspace access. Open the board you're trying to work with, click Share, and confirm that your user account or API integration has the required permissions. Sometimes the token is valid, but the board itself is restricted, or the workspace access is too limited. If the integration can't read or edit the board, it won't be able to complete the request, so this step is very important. If everything looks correct so far, the final fix is to reconnect the integration. Disconnect the app or API connection from Monday.com, then connect it again from scratch, and grant full permissions when prompted. Reconnecting often refreshes the authentication session and fixes hidden permission problems that were causing the error in the first place. So to recap, refresh the page, test your internet speed, disable browser extensions, verify your API token permissions, check board and workspace access, and reconnect the integration with full permissions. One of those steps usually clears the Monday.com API permission error right away. If this video helped you fix the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Monday.com tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.